there, welcome to Orchard Corset Q and A video number 96. I'm Rachel and I'm here with Teighlor today, who has a question from our customer service department.
Hi Rachel. Sometimes in customer service we hear that the people complain that the laces that come in the corset are a little bit too long. Is there a way that you can easily trim those up?
That's a great question. There absolutely is. There are a couple of steps involved in that. The first one is making sure that you loosen your corset to the point where you can wrap it around yourself easily and comfortably and fasten it without any excess pressure on the pins. Once you've done that, what you need to do next is work the excess lacing at the pull loops down the corset to the bottom. Once you've done that, it's going to look like this, with that excess down here, hanging down instead of at the middle. And then all you have to do is snip that off, tie off your ends however you prefer. I prefer a little knot like this. And then just work the X's back up until you have your excess lacing back at your pull loops. Does that answer your question, Teighlor?
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Great. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell to be notified when we post new videos, and check us out on Instagram. We love to share photos of our customers. Thanks. Bye.